Here is a digital refractometer, and it's used to measure the refractive index of a liquid sample. To begin, clean the surface with acetone and wipe the surface with Kim wipes. Next, using either a plastic or glass pipette with rubber bulb, draw up sufficient liquid and place it on the lens surface until the battery is full on the window. Next, press down the start button on the window. All the instrument's readings for the liquid sample we read to 20 degrees Celsius. After 5 iterations, record the final refractive index value, which reads 1.40032. Afterwards, clean the surface lens with acetone. And dry the surface with Kim wipes. And once done, it is ready for use.